Well, we can fix it. It's going to take some structural steel to fix it. But as far as I can tell, the fireman said it was gust of wind that came through, and that's probably what took it down. I mean, he wasn't here, but he said it was some wind came through last night around 11:30.
And can you tell us a little bit about this restoration project, what y'all are trying to do here?
Well, we're actually trying to do lofts upstairs and retail space downstairs. From what I understand, it's a shortage of lofts in your community, in downtown area. So that's what we're going to be doing in all of this entire strip of buildings.
What did you think when you saw it this morning?
Thank God it happened when it did, while nobody was on the street, nobody's car was parked, nobody was walking past it. That was my first impression about it. That's it right there.
That's what it looked like yesterday. And you said it's fixable.
Yes, oh yes, fixable. Yes, it is. Really, we're going to try to save as many bricks as we can. Yeah. They're solid bricks, so they didn't crumble like the brick today.